Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back. If you are new to our channel, my name is Sharice and you're here at the Severino Family Vlogs Home Series Edition. Today's video, we are going to be heading over to St. Thomas, where we are going to be going to, of course, the Home Depot. We're going to be doing some grocery shopping, looking around. It's Carnival week, guys, here in the Virgin Islands, and everybody is gearing up. Today, April 27th, I believe it's Sunday. Today is the boat races over in St. Thomas. We're not going, of course, but I'm going to give you a little sneak peek at some of the guys with their sets in their cars getting ready for Carnival. They're going to be in the parking lot out in the country area in front of Kmart, so you're going to get to see a peek of that. We're heading over to Home Depot, like I said, so that we can get some more wire to complete the wire railing. We did purchase the wire months ago, but the accessories for it were too small. The wire was too big, so we're going to be repurchasing that again. So if you're into that kind of stuff, then please just keep watching.
So I think that's how we hold on feet. I want to have like a.
And you sure is the right?
I say yeah, 500. I think we buy like a. It look like a full one, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's a full one. They might be accept if they have maybe.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog, and we are here in the Home Depot. We came to purchase some new wire for the railings. The wire that we bought a few months back with the new hardware for the railing, it was too big, so we came to get a size smaller. So we now have the 1/8 width wire rope, and before we had 3/16. So And of course, we can't find the receipt to return the original one, and they're about $200 a roll, times 3 plus 3 more. So we've spent almost $1,000 for the 6 rolls, 3 of which we cannot use anymore. Anyway, it is what it is. So we just got the 3 rolls that we need. I think we have too much, but it's better to have too much than not enough, because Home Depot is on St. Thomas and we're on St. John's. So I'd rather have too much, and then we can always return it at a later time. So I'm going to go ahead and check out right now, and we'll go from there. So we'll catch up with you guys. That's some jam session there, man. Okay guys, we just left Kmart. We got some grocery items and some household items, and now we're going to the next stop. We're going to PriceSmart to do some cold storage food shopping. That's it. Oh yeah, let's go. This is what a few things looks like. We literally just came in for 2 things, and look at the basket. And before we go, guys, let me just quickly show you some of the things I was able to grab from Cash and Carry. I got mostly beauty supplies and a couple of home essentials. So these are my beauty sponges. They were very inexpensive. Everything that I bought today was very inexpensive. Yeah, so I just got a couple of these in some neutral colors. They're great for applying makeup. I also needed some brushes, and I think these are so very pretty. I love the neutral color tone and the gold on it. And these brushes are, you know, they're not the best quality, but they'll work for my level of makeup application. And so they were also very inexpensive. I believe that they were $6.99 for the little package. I'm a sucker for packaging, and I thought this was really pretty. Anything in a clear wrap, and just look how cute it is. And of course the basics. I'm all out of makeup, and so I decided to pick up this L'Oreal foundation. I think it's a pretty good match for my skin tone, so I got one of those, and I believe that this was $18.99. I also got the bronzer palette, and this I believe was also $8.99. I got it from, what is that boutique boutique over in St. Thomas. It's called Beautylicious, and they've got like every single thing. I'm not a big makeup person, so I just pretty much stick to the basics. Your face can't be beat if your eyebrows are not in order, so I decided to pick up these brow razors. It's a 3-pack, simple, $5.99. It's always a good basic to have around, even if your face is not fully made up. Your eyelashes and your eyebrows should be looking on point. And guys, I also got some hair gel. This is the brown styling gel. You know that this holds pretty well, and the reason I got this is because I'm about to braid my hair, and of course the beeswax. So I was saying I'm about to braid my hair. I do my own hair and I do my own braids, so I'm gonna be needing this to set my braids, make it look really nice, make it look finished. And the parting combs, a little 4-pack, $1.99, and these are really simple and easy to work with. And finally today, of course, I cannot live without my readers. And if you know me, I go through a million pairs of readers every month. I sit on them, I break them. This morning, even when we were out and about, they fell off of my shirt and we rolled over my glasses with the cart. And so backup pairs, I bought 2. And finally, for the beauty products, I have my package of hair braids. I got 2 of those 3-packs, so 6 bundles of hair for braiding, and it's just going to be single braid, something simple. I got some toilet bowl cleaner and some Castile soap. If you're from the Caribbean, you know what Castile soap is all about. So I got a 2-pack of that, and you guys know I've been on my journey back and forth to the dentist, and so I've got my Sensodyne for my teeth to keep everything in order until I get back to my next appointment, and some razors for shaving. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for joining us. Do come back again, and I will see you in the next one. So until then, take care, stay safe, be well, and always remember, if there's anything in this world that you can be, always be kind. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.